You can't reject or discriminate or have a downer on anyone because they are your neighbour. God loves them. They are important to him. And part of outworking God's love for me, part of you outworking God's love for you, God's love in you, in me, and God's love through me and through you is to others, to our neighbours. It's making sure that there is no discrimination, no hindrance, no apathy, no half-heartedness of that flow of love to others, despite the obstacles and hindrances that may present themselves and justify me in not loving them. But if I love God and he loves them, if they're important to him, then if we are fulfilling the royal laws, then we're going to love those people and we're going to make those people important to us. Is that